Hello everyone. The topic that will be discussed in this video is three facets of taxation. There are certain departments that not every business requires to operate, but on the other hand, there are certain aspects which form an integral part of all businesses, and one of them is taxation. It is one of those aspects which cannot be ignored as it is dynamic and there is not just one solution to solve a problem. In business, there are options, and often decision makers have a choice to make which decides the fate of the business. Taxation, being one of the integral parts of the business, have its own option mechanism embedded in it. Taxes could make or break a business. It is up to the business and its driver to prioritize the aspects of taxation in their ecosystem. There are three phases of tax function in any organization, which are as follows. First, tax planning and structuring. Second, compliance. Third, representation. Let's look at them in detail. First, tax planning and structuring. Tax evasion and avoidance are bad tax practices. However, tax planning is perfectly legal and legitimate way of mitigating tax risk and optimizing tax payout. Any business, before initiating any commercial transaction, should plan well in advance for its impact of taxes on a structure. There could be certain means and incentives provided in law for a particular structure that could assist a business to save taxes. The profitability of a subsidiary depends upon the prices at which the intercompany transactions occur. These days, the intercompany transactions are facing increased scrutiny by the governments. Here is when transfer pricing comes into the place. When transfer pricing is incorporated, the multinationals' group effective tax rate is reduced, leading to lower taxable income and lower after tax and higher free cash flow. Ultimately, it is positively impacting the wealth of the shareholders. Second, compliance. Compliance remains the heart of taxes. The timely filing of returns and declarations keeps a company healthy and in shape. Compliance leads to transparency and assists in exchange of information. It is important that a business having cross-border intercompany transactions should understand the transfer pricing concept, particularly for the compliance requirements as per the law and to eliminate the risk of non-compliance. Finally, the third one is representation. Representations are interactions with the tax authorities and the tax courts. If a transaction is well planned, documented, and compiled for, then such representations are smooth and help in laying down the foundation stone of a company's impression with the tax authorities. If a transaction is not well planned or not complied with, then the risk of penalties with tax adjustments increases, which leads to litigation in the country. Representations could also be used in planning a transaction where an advance ruling regime exists. Here, the taxpayer upfront in advance informs the tax authorities about the transaction and seeks clarity on the taxation aspect of such transaction. As a business, one must give appropriate attention to all the above three pillars of taxes through which carrying out business at an ease would be achieved. Having said that, these three pillars of taxes need to be managed carefully, and not all businesses have the necessary resources available to undertake these operations with ease. Hence, it is crucial for the three phases of tax function to be handled by the seasoned professional. We at Transprise have a knowledge, understanding, and experience to be at the helm and spearhead the tax functions. You can reach out to us at the following details. Hope this video added data to your wealth of knowledge. Until then, zooming out.